Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast and I am Ridula. Today I will be talking about a very fantastic topic is a search strategy in artificial intelligence. In this podcast I will be explain what the search strategy are and types of search technique used in AI and how they help a machine make intelligent decision. Now, the first of all, the objective of search strategy. The first objective is to study the concept search as problem solving techniques in artificial intelligence. Second objective is to understand the difference between uninformed and informed search strategy. Third objective is to analyze the efficiency, compactness, and optimality of the various search methods. Fourth objective is to apply search strategy for the solving AI problems in different state space. Fifth objective is to evaluate the performance of the search algorithm in terms of time and space complexity. So next one is a introduction. In artificial intelligence, search strategy are techniques used to explore a possible solution in problem and find the most suitable one. Second is many AI problems such as pathfinding, puzzle solving, game playing, decision making can be seen as a search problem where the system must have the move from the initial state to goal state. Third, search strategy provides systematic method for the navigation through is the problem space. So fourth, there are mainly divided into two types, uninformed and informed. Uninformed also called as a blind and informed also called as a heuristic. Blind is called as a because of which explores without knowledge, and heuristic called as a because of extra information to guide the search more efficiently. And then the study of search strategy important. It helps in understanding how AI can make intelligent choice, balance time and memory uses, and achieve compactness, optimality, and efficiency. This strategy from the backbone of AI, connecting theoretical algorithm with practical application in real world system. So next is definition of search strategy. Very simple definition. Search strategy in AI are systematic method used to explore possible state in problem space to find a path from initial state to goal state. They define order in which node or state examined to reach an efficient solution. Next, principle. What is the principle of search strategy? First is define the problem. Firstly, define the problem. Clearly specify the search problem element. Second is choice algorithm. Select and appropriate the search algorithm. Third is design heuristic. Develop effective heuristic function. Fourth one is evaluate performance. Access algorithm effectiveness. Fifth one is optimize the technique. Implement search strategy to the enhanced efficiency. And sixth is consider real world factor. Adapted to uncertainty to dynamic environment. So next, importance of search strategy. This is an importance of the search strategy. First one is a real world application used in robotics, logistics, and healthcare. Second one is completeness. Guarantees finding a solution if one exists. Third one is a problem solving. Code to the AI task like a pathfinding and gameplay. Fourth is resource efficiency. Minimize the time and memory uses in complex space. Fifth one is the optimal solution. Ensure the best possible solution is found. Next is decision making. Enable informed decision by involving action. Last one is the advanced AI technique. Extend into the heuristic and adversarial search. So next, characteristics of search strategy. First one is a completeness. So they explain a search algorithm is the considered complete if the guarantee finding a solution when one exists for given problem. Second one is a optimality. This is referred to whether the algorithm find the best possible solution. For example, shortest path when multiple solution is exist. Then space complexity. This is and refers to amount of memory, storage space, and algorithm uses during search process. And fourth one is a time complexity. This is a major amount of the time an algorithm takes to complete its search and often expressed as a function of the problem size. An example, number of nodes graph. So next, types of search strategy. Search strategy are techniques used in artificial intelligence problems to explore possible solutions. And we are discussed to last first slide is divided into two parts. See, uniformed search and informed search. Search algorithm, uninformed, informed. Uninformed, there are three types: depth first search, second breadth first search, and third one uniform cost search. And informed search, there are three types: greedy search, A star, and A graph search. So next, types of search strategy. Uniformed search. Uniformed search is also called as a blind search because of explore the search space without any domain specific knowledge heuristic. It treated all the node equally and choose the path to explore next based on the rules or path find. There are three examples of uninformed search. First one is a depth, and depth is full form of depth first search, also called as DFS in short form. Depth of first search explores path by going as deep as possible along the one direction because before backtracking it is uses stack or recursion to keep the track of the path. Second one is a BFS. BFS means breadth first search. BFS is a fundamental search algorithm that explores all possible paths level by level. It begins from the root node and explore neighboring node before the moving the next level of node for the complex problem. Third one is a uniform cost search. Uniform cost search is similar is to the BFS. It is similar to the BFS cause of the take cost of each move in account. It always expand the node with the lowest cumulative path cost from the start. Diagram: DFS plus BFS plus QCS is equal to uninformed search. So next. So next type is uninformed. Uninformed search use domain knowledge in the from the heuristic to take a smarter decision during the search. Heuristic is estimate how the close a stage is to the goal, guiding to the search more efficiently. There are three examples of uninformed search. First one is a greedy search. Second one is a star search, and third one is a star graph search. First one is a greedy search. Greedy search is a heuristic-based algorithm that selects the path which appear to lead most directly toward the goal. Second example, A star tree. A star tree is also uses the f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n evaluation, but treated in the search space as tree, which means does not track already visited node. Search space as a tree, which is means does not track already visited node. So third example is a graph search. This is an informed algorithm. They find the shortest path in graph by considering both the cost reach node g of n and the estimate cost of the goal h of n. It keeps strong track of the visitor node using the closing list to avoid revisiting them, which makes efficient and prevents redundant paths. First is greedy search plus a star search plus a graph search and is equal to uninformed search. So next, fields of search strategy. First one is there are 8 fields. Then, first one is artificial intelligence. So pathfinding, game playing, problem solving agent used in this field. Operations research, scheduling, logistic and optimization problem. Third is in the medical fields, diagnosis disease using the AI search. Fourth one is a robotics, motion planning and obstacle avoidance for the robots. Fifth one is a natural language processing, machine translation and speech recognition. Soft engineering, tech case of generation using search-based techniques. Machine learning, hyper parameter tuning. Last one is a computer network, finding optimal route form of the data packets. So next, features of search strategy. There are sorry, there are six features of search strategy. First one is a problem solving approach. Second is a systematic exploitation. Third one is a goal oriented. Fourth one is a types of search strategy. Fifth one is a evaluation based on four pillars. And sixth one is trade offs. This is an features of the search strategy. And one by one explanation. Problem solving approaches. Search strategies are used to explore possible state and action to reach a goal. Second, systematic exploration. They follow a step-by-step process like BFS, DFS, A-star to expand node and check possible solution. Third one is the evaluation based on four pillars. Every search strategy is judged by the completeness, optimality, and time complexity and space complexity. Types of search strategy. First one is a uninformed and informed. Uninformed also called as a blind search and informed called as a heuristic search. Uninformed, no additional information about state BFS and DFS. This is an example. Informed, search problem specific knowledge. Example Grady stat. Trade-offs. Some are faster but use memory will others save memory but they may not find the best solution. Sixth one is a goal oriented. They always works toward achieving a solution or providing that the solution is exist. So next, features of search strategy. First one is a machine learning integration. Second one is AI driven heuristic. Third one is a problem computing. And fourth one is a quantum search. Fifth, adaptive search. Sixth is a domain specific search. Next, energy efficiency. And next, human AI collaboration. So one by one explanation. First one is a machine learning integration driven search. So explanation is search enhanced by the machine learning to the learn heuristic automatically. Second, AI enhancer heuristic. Natural network generates smarter data-driven heuristic. Third one is a parallel and distributed search. Faster search using clouds and multi-core processing. Quantum search. Quantum's algorithm like Gruyere offers to the speed ups for the complex searches. Fifth one is adaptive search. Algorithm dynamically switch strategy based on context. Domain specific search. Tailored search for the field like medicine, driving, and cyber security. Seventh, energy efficiency search. Optimize algorithm to reduce the power and resource usage. At one, human AI collaboration. Combining human integration with the AI computation for the better result. So next, challenges of search strategy. First is bias in data heuristic. So the search outcomes will come be the biased. Second, lack of universal standard. No global control exists on the ethical guidelines. So next, resource construction. Ethical search may demands more computation, memory, and time. So next, unpredictable outcome. Search strategy can lead to an unforeseen consequence. So next, transparency and complexity. Modern search strategy are obtained black boxes. So next is challenges conflict of ethical principle. Ethical rule may conflict with each other. So one by one, this is an explanation. So an example also included. Bias in data heuristic. heuristic is bias in heuristic training data leads to the unfair in inaccurate in search outcome. Example is a face recognition error. And second one is a conflict in ethics. Ethical goals like safety, privacy, and fairness may be conflict. Example: self-drive car dilemmas. So next one is a no universal standard. Like some global argument on ethical AI guidelines causes as inconsistency. Different rule across countries and industries. So next, transparency versus complexity. Advanced AI searches are hard to explain black box issue. Black box issue is very in uses daily life. So the hard to ensure accountability. So fifth is a resource demand. Ethical AI needs more time, power, and data than fast optimal solution. Trade-offs between efficiency and ethics. Sixth one is unpredictable result. Dynamic environment can produce unexpected risky outcomes. Example: AI in stock trading. So seventh one, accountability gaps. How to the assign blame when AI search fails, user, developer, or system responsibility is unclear. And eighth one is a profit versus ethics. Business may ignore an ethic to maximize speed or revenue. Risk of unethical AI deployment. So the next is application. What is the application of search strategy? First one is a pathfinding and navigation. So the algorithm for pathfinding efficient routes. Second one is a planning and scheduling. Techniques for optimization, task sequence. Third one is optimization. Algorithm for finding the best solution. Next is gameplay. Strategy for the AI to excel in games. So next, concentration satisfaction. Methods for the solving problems with the concentration. Question. This is a question of about this search strategy. Question about the search strategy. First question is design search strategy in artificial intelligence. We discuss about the last slide. Differentiate between the uninformed and informed search. Second question is explain optimality in search strategy. Fourth one, fourth one is a sorry. Fourth one is a what is the role of heuristic in search strategy, and fifth one is a compare BFS and DFS. This is a question for the search strategy, depending about search strategy and about this class. See, we are seeing outcomes. First one is a outcome is a give a clear understand how the search helps in solving problems and finding solutions by step by step. Second, explain difference between blind search, no extra knowledge, and heuristic search using hints or guidance. Third one is a helps in compare search methods and knowing which one is faster, uses less memory, and gives the best solution. Fourth one is a make it is possible BFS, DFS, A star, and the other search method to solve puzzle, path problems, and planning the task. Fifth one is a provide the ability just how much time memory each memory method take. Select the most efficient one. This is an reference of the books, web research, and online learning from NPTEL and website for gifts is very clear. So lastly, conclusion of search strategy. Search strategy are essential parts of artificial intelligence because of they provide systematic way to solve the problem and find the solution. They helps AI system explore possible paths and compare alternative and choose the best option. Uninformed search like BFS, DFS, and give the basic approaches. Will the informed search like A star and grade star to improve the efficiency. To the study, the search strategy highlights important features such as completeness, optimality, and efficiency, which is decided how well an algorithm perform the search strategy are widely applied in areas like pathfinding, robotics, games, and decision-making system. In short, of the search strategy act as the foundation of AI problem solving, connecting theory with the real world application. With continued improvement ethical issue, they will remain a key part of future and advancement in artificial intelligence.